Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 247 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is simply about giving yourself permission to rest and let your body heal. Let's begin by taking a slow, gentle breath in and exhale softly. Let your body be supported. You don't need to do anything right now. Now, say to yourself, I allow myself to rest. My body knows how to heal. And it's safe to slow down. Stay with your breath, soft and easy. Let each exhale release tension. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of rest with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.